Good evening, people. Now it's 6:32 p.m. Good evening again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube family. Now it's 6:33 p.m. on a Sunday evening. Sunday, 22nd of June 2025. I just wanted a short video to show you how the place is still overcast, because I believe say what I saw on over social media today, that it have some bad weather will hit us again tonight into tomorrow morning. Right into Sunday tonight into tomorrow Monday. You know, if it's a tropical wave or tropical depression or whatever it is. Right? So again, I picture of the sky and the trees as well in the background, like quite looking this over. What really? Upward. Upward on the line. You can focus on him. And see more people. I'll bring you closer to all you. Everybody shaking. Right, people, when you see me doing live stream, when you see me not doing it for long, the reasons why I don't do my live stream, I don't think I was still this. Well, I said about my hand, I feel to hold the phone in my hand. I don't have a holder for it, I don't have a tripod. Right, so I have to hold the phone in my hand. Right, so my hand can't keep on holding the phone in my hand for long. So that my live streams and them will be short. Okay. Right, as in this video, I want to give the answer to the riddle of the ask. What came first, the chicken or the egg? The answer is the egg. That's what I heard say. Scientists have proven that. So I think they say it's the egg that came first. They said scientists have proven. I'm not a scientist, so I don't know if it's true or not, but that's what I heard. Right, people?